Update with Keysoft Solutions. Today we're looking at AeroSTRIPE version 1.2. This was just released recently and it has several improvements for FAA markings as well as ICAO markings, other performance increases, and I want to show you a few of those objects. I also want to focus on objects that are complex in nature and that normally take a lot of time to construct by hand when you're doing an airport marking plan. One of those would be something like this holding position A, where you have two solid lines and then two dashed lines. So getting these all to line up and to play nice together, and then more importantly to revise these as needed, can take an awful lot of time. I'm just going to draw one of these in here freehand. You can also pick existing geometry as well if you have something drafted out more accurately. I'm going to double click on this object to show you the options you have. You can change widths and gaps and black outlines and flip the stripes to the other side if it drew back in a backwards way. You can see here that if I edit a grip here, we're going to automatically adjust with the correct number of stripes. Let me bring this object to the front. And we're never going to end up with a half stripe, never end up with an awkward transition. It's very smart. Another object people tend to like a lot because it does save so much time is something like a roadway zipper edge. Now it's an alternate edge option that some airports use, but we've recently improved this tool to also navigate curves. So you can use it in straight line segments, or you can hit A for arc, and it's going to automatically draw a tangent arc for you. Hit enter, and now you've got a zipper line. And you can imagine how long this would take to construct with traditional AutoCAD geometry. You'd have to do some offsets, some trimming, some hatching, and then if you wanted to change it, you'd be doing that all over again. If I grab one of these grips, move this object, you can see that it automatically updates the spacing for me, even around this weird non-tangential turn now. It still resolves that as well as it can. Obviously that probably should be tangential. I also have options here, like in any AeroSTRIPE object, you just double click on it. It brings up the feature properties window, and I want to say add a black background to that. I can do that easily as well. These are just two objects that we've added improvements to recently. These can all be quantified easily using the inquiry command to generate quantity takeoffs, look at pricing, and really make sure that what you're designing and what's being installed are working from the same information. It's really about clear communication. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please reach out to support@keysoftSolutions.com or call us directly. Thank you.